Ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial will provide you with help to get rid of the ransomware called Jaoy. This is a new ransomware from the DJVU ransomware family. My video, though, is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I will simply show you the negative impact of the ransomware on the files and will give you some recommendations on how to possibly recover your files. So, before the ransomware attack, you are definitely able to open your files without troubles. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the computer system, this Jaoy ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. So after restarting their computers or after turning on the computers someday, users realize that something bad has taken place. And so you can now see the consequences of the ransomware attack. Whenever you try to open this specific file, this is the message that you get. Windows can't open this type of file with this Jaoy extension. The same applies to all other files. So this extension Jaoy is appended to the file names, and it is impossible to use the files anymore. Then the ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom is obviously not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. And if you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money. So don't ever pay it. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Go to the page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. So through this official website, download the software using this green download Combo Cleaner button. Install the program and then start researching your system with its help. Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on Start Scan button. The software will most likely update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware. Then the scanning will begin. I want to emphasize your attention on the fact that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. Its anti-malware feature helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data, but it does not decrypt the files which were encrypted by this horrible ransomware. If you upgrade to Premium, by the way, you can always request for the free trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. And speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your files.